What's going on? What's going on, man? Chef right here at Big Smokeys. We got a new item we're thinking about putting on the menu, and we need our good people help. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meat and veggies, veggies burger, meat and cheese. So we're gonna start off with 2 of these Big Smokeys rib on a toasted Hawaiian bun. Then we're gonna go ahead and let me see if I can get these so tender. 1, 2, 3, and 4 slices of our wonderful, beautiful beef brisket. And just for, I'm gonna get in y'all way like that, but we're gonna come back with a sausage stack into each one. Stacking into itself. On over here. So we got a sausage stack there. And right on top of that, we're gonna go with a pulled pork stack. So that look good. Wouldn't you agree? I know it. I know you agree. So right after that, we're gonna come with some of our one and only signature mild and spicy sauce. So we definitely want this sauce to get through the crevices and keep this real juicy. So that's that. All right. So after that, let me pull this out the shot. After that, we're gonna hit it with the magic dust. Of course, hey, if you know about Big Smokeys, you know about the magic dust. All righty. So
excuse me, sir, you need
hold
any help? I'll come with you.
And then that was my good friend. That was my good friend, my buddy right there. But we're gonna top this off with a wonderful, beautiful, smoked, boneless chicken thigh. And we're gonna hope that it don't fall, but it's not. So when you order this, you say, "Oh, is it finished?" No, it's not. So on top of this beautiful boneless chicken thigh, of course, once again, we want to keep this juicy. Come back with the sauce, the Big Smoky sauce, baby. All right. So, and on top of that, we're gonna go with our one and only signature homemade mac and cheese. Let's hope we keep it together, good people. So if you get this, it's gonna come into this unique boat. It's gonna be well prepared and nicely ordered. Let's go ahead and clean this up for you, so y'all won't have to look at all that. So you say, yeah, well, is it finished, Big Smokeys? Hell no. So, like I said, okay, we losing a little bit of our mac, but it's okay. Let me work a little faster. Come on over here. So that's a 5-cheese homemade mac and cheese. One more time, nice and juicy. Hit it with the sauce. And then we got the one and only, literally the one and only, the Big Smokeys bun. And since it is the month of love, we're gonna hit you with the heart. So, put the cap on it. Put the cap on it, just like that. And they say, well, it's falling. We're gonna garnish it with our one and only corn monster. So, this is what I want y'all good people to do. I want you to look at this get nice and look at it. Get a good look at it. Because this is the official Big Smokeys month of February special Valentine's Day. Lot of love. You name it. So that's what we're doing, man. We're looking for a name for this. We want you guys to name it, and if we pick your name, guess what? You're gonna get one of these on the house one time. So if we like what you calling this here, we're gonna pick what you want. You gonna get what you want when you want it. Just come see Big Smokeys.